Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 85 Chevy K10. It's got Scottsdale package. Nice clean Washington truck. See, everything looks good up front with the bumpers. Got tow hooks. Got a good shine to the paint. You know, above average driver quality probably. Because you can see a sag here and there, you know. Maybe you can see that. So, not a perfect repaint, but a nice one. You can see my reflection in the paint, so you can tell it's got a good shine. Seat's been done. Door panels look mostly original, I would say. I think I ordered a new mat for it, so either mat or carpet, one of the two. 24,497, not actual miles. Has had a cover lay put on it. That's, you know, dash probably cracked underneath. Scottsdales don't have headliners. This is a 4-speed truck, but nice and clean right there. That's the greatest thing about these Washington trucks. Did a bed liner in it. You can see the aftermarket wheels. Not a lot of issues to show you on the paint. The paint's pretty good. Probably the only one thing is they still, for some reason they didn't. That's because they would have had black Scottsdale molding. They didn't put it back up, but they didn't fix them molds right there. So I don't understand why they didn't do that, but they didn't. So sliding rear window. Like I said, overall nice appearance. Not a lot of issues. Good looking truck. You know, there you got some old weather strip there. So if you're looking for a nice, clean, square body, give me a call, 605, 695-7391.